Alright, super busy Friday leading into a travel weekend. I'm pretty excited. The last time I flew was to Cincinnati. The last time I was to New York was 4th of July 2012, I want to say. It's been too long, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Today I have this conference call this morning as soon as I get into the city, so I've got to find somewhere to sit down, set up my laptop. Conference call about the New York City thing. No, stress eating candy. All day has been me working on slides, and it's not going well. Today was sort of a disaster. If I don't make my train, that's just icing on the cake. I've been working on these keynote slides for about a week, 2 weeks. 12:30 today, someone pressed reset. I had to start all the way over. Now I'm probably gonna have to work tomorrow. I'm gonna have to be working a ton on Sunday, again on Monday. There's nothing I can do other than just work fast. Hopefully not miss my train because I was on a call late again. Trying to make the best of it. Remember, don't film at Ogilvy. So as soon as I got home, I fell asleep for about an hour. Just woke up. I'm gonna go get some dinner at a burger restaurant near our house. But unlike the restaurant that I went to with David, I have to drive. I feel like I get put in the position I'm in at work right now a lot. I'm at the end of a long line of people who need to do things, and everyone who procrastinates delays one day, and after 5 people do that, we're 5 days behind, and it's my job to get us caught up. So the key to this kind of job is to work fast and not panic. I'm certainly not panicked. Anyway, tonight I want to try to block out the project for the rest of the day, just enjoy being at home with